Hi friends, and welcome back to part 3 of our series of how to complete our engineering design method template. Today we will complete the plan portion of our engineering design method template so that you can complete it when you do the template on your own, and you'll know you have it when you know what should be included in the plan section as well as how to fill it out. So let's get started. Materials for class, you will need your already partially completed engineering design method template. So for the plan portion, planning is determining a good game plan to answer all of our questions. Here we also need to include a materials list. So as we go through each instrument, you won't have to find this information on your own because we will cover it when we do our brief history and we're talking about our materials and we're talking about how the instruments are made. So for this plan section, this is more so where we need our materials list and a brief description of how we're going to answer these questions, especially the how is it made? How is the guitar made? The materials will be answered in this box and the process will be answered in the next box. And then for the materials, this box is super important because this is where we answer how is the guitar made and what kind of materials we will need to make a guitar. It will also be, and this box will also answer how do we get our materials for making a guitar. So we will discuss those kinds of topics when we go over the history of the instrument, when we go over how the instrument is made, and the materials used. So I already have this pre-filled out. We get wood from trees. We will need one large piece of wood. We already said we get wood from trees. We'll need a tuning machine, which that already comes pre-made. And we'll need our strings, which those also come pre-made. The tuning machine comes from a factory, which is also made from a lot of wood and metal. And the strings are also come from metal, which we talked about in our last video, how we get metal. So now you completed the plan section of our engineering design method template, and in our next video, we will talk about how we create.